Fucked and drank all night.
God, are you Alex SVT? Dude, Alex!
Had no need to fight.
Yeah, it was too heavy.
He didn't get like the proper ones or what? That's
more than good.
You know, we're still fancy. We got the Jordan slotted.
Of course. Can't be overheating the brakes.
Okay, so as we're taking off the wheel, I want to note to you guys that we have the toe links on the car. I had to grind down the IRS knuckle, and we had to grind down the knuckle, and we put in the full tilt boogie racing toe links, and they work really good. You know, I'm not really a big alignment type person, but as long as it makes it work. And then we also installed the Maximum Motorsports low profile brake lines. So for anyone asking. And then all right. Forgot the most important thing, guys. You know, the slicks are kind of important. That was the whole point, you know. Just put it like.
That's just not even discussing, man. OMG, niggas sleep.
I just gotta make sure that these are on the outside.
Yeah. Cars on the wore out.
I just got them. No, I'm just kidding. I use them for a little bit.
You do?
These are, I mean, look at the tread. I mean, there's a lot of gap in them. Yeah. The dot is the indicator of how much tread is left.
Oh, really? Yeah.
No, I got them off my buddy. I had them on for a while, and then I had to go back because it started raining, so I didn't want to kill myself in the rain. But
those tires on? Can't they?
What?
They're bald.
No, they're not. They're slicks.
They're bald. They don't have no rubber on.
Dude, these are slick indicators. You're tripping.
You know what? Moses, come here. Take care of this.
Most don't even know nothing about slicks.
that old man seems like he doesn't know. He just assumes like.
That's to tell you.
Yeah, that's the marker.
Wow.
So yeah, there's a lot left. No, I have hella left. Yeah, it's because I was doing some burnouts. He's like, he didn't know what a radial was. He's like, I'm used to seeing tread. You know? Looks good.
You would roast right. I kind of wish I got like
80.
I don't know. Like, bro, don't tell me we have to go to a whole ass another place right now.
I was like, whatever, dude. He's like, there's no tread on them. Like, what the heck?
There's no tread on them.
Like, do you not understand? Like,
I wonder if you can see out here.
yeah. Almost. There we go. Oh yeah, she looking fat. She tucking. Let's do a little practice. Oh, definitely hooks, and the GoPro fell off. That's how you know you hook.
Too much power.
First gear though, really nice.
Dude, I know.
I was surprised. Alright guys, so you guys just saw, what's his name? Jay's reaction. And you know, I was banging some gears, went pretty well. But the Hoosiers are hooking really nice. I haven't really updated the vlog. Not the best lighting, but they're 315 30 18s, so they fit the Rovos really good. It wasn't gonna rain for a while, and I had no use for these because at some point I'm gonna get the welds, so there's really no point in letting them just sit. So putting them to use, and they look really good, and you know, I'll be ready to hook and book whenever we go to Mexico. What's up?
He's breaking it in.
Wait, what? I forgot. Where are you going?
taking on. That's why I need all the energy that you bring. I can say I ain't tripping, I'ma let him sleep. I ain't tripping, let him rest in peace. I've been in the crib with
I'm gonna spit a flame for the one time. I know that dude. Really? No! Hey, what's going on? Great to see you. Yeah, no, I'm gonna go park in it. Hella clean. Must be nice. I wonder how much it's pushing. Dude, that carbon fiber, looking carbon fiber right here. That's just looking ah, damn. Damn. I know. Two-step.
No, bro.
Yeah, no mufflers.
No.
Corsa, cheap Corsa Extremes. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Shit's clean. That's crazy. Damn. Those are fat ass tires.
Wide and tall.
I know.
It's chomp and I think it's hammer.
Wait, he got who?
I mean, they're not that bad, actually.
Get back here.
They're not bad, but like when you're driving, they don't work.
Let me get the perspective of Alex SVT real quick, you know.
It's horrible drive. You can see the mud.
For real.
Kind of good.
Double clutch?
Yeah. Pretty sure sound. The mod.
That sounds better than I thought.
It's time for the. Should I pull it?
I think you should.
Cut up, look.
How to do it for the one time. I think you made everybody leave.
Who's?
Oh, you woke the tweaker up. Good job. Oh shit.
Wait, you got a V10 in that or what?
It's an EcoBoost twin turbo.
Yeah. What's going on?
Dude, there were 6 Supras here.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
Bro, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. Fuck, this is it.
Yeah.
God damn, that's crazy. I just looked over here. I'm like, I know that Cobra, bro.
You're just chilling over
Dude, I
there?
thought you were like in LA or something.
No, yeah.
Oh my fucking god, bro, that's crazy. I watched like all your videos. Bro.
For real? That's
For real,
sick.
Like I've been following you for like a minute now, like a minute, bro.
That's dope.
Bro, you're the reason I started making videos on YouTube.
Yeah,
like,
for real?
Like little bit of videos.
That's cool, man.
Bro.
That's awesome.
This is clean, bro. God damn. And so you come out like every Friday or what?
I try to.
This is
Yeah.
my first time I've ever come out, so like I'm still
Yeah.
new to it, and it seems kind of dead right now. I just got out of work, so
Yeah.
like.
No, it was popping a little earlier, but yeah.
They started complaining right here or something.
Yeah, I think they're talking.
Bro, I'm like, bro,
That's cool, man.
Like,
No, yeah.
crazy,
Cool.
bro. Oh fuck. Anyways, yeah, bro. My name is Joseph.
Nice to
by the
meet you,
way.
man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Cool.
These are my friends over here. They come out here a lot.
Oh, yeah?
I'm like shocked. Like car shows, bro. Do you get that a lot or what?
Yeah, it happens for sure. No, when I go to car shows, cause you know,
Yeah.
most people,
probably
yeah.
recognize you.
Oh, we got a coyote?
She almost got hit by the freaking Mustang.
Like, I think that's how it works. Cause I feel like it doesn't even like it just like barely anything compared to mine, at least. It feels hella stiff though compared to mine.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
I want to tighten it, pull on the cable, and then twist counterclockwise.
So technically loosening it.
Yeah, it pulls it out when you loosen it, and then it adds tension to the cable, so it acts as if it's putting more pressure on the clutch. Yeah. I think the best thing to do at this point is
Just go in as hard as fuck.
I would definitely order the clutch.
Yeah.
Hey, GoFundMe for Ish?
Please.
No, for real though.
Go fund me, please.
Yeah, I'll put a link down below for GoFundMe for Ish's.
Your boy needs a
For
clutch.
Ish's.
Wherever it is.
Because Ish's car, like he just got his bumper repainted, and then also the clutch I think is pretty much donezo.
Toasty.
So we're gonna need to get a clutch. So help a boy out, you know, if you want to donate to the foundation of Ish, 4 Point Ish. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video there for today. The weekend is just getting started, so we'll have more plans tomorrow. I'm probably gonna stay up all night, edit this, and drop it tomorrow. But today was crazy. We had a good day, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, we got a lot of good footage tonight. Helicopters, a lot of crazy stuff, and Cobra's hooking and booking, and hopefully Mexico content coming soon. With that being said, if you guys aren't already subscribed, please check out the channel, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace. That was like a freaking gunshot.
That shit was probably the loudest I've heard.
Dude, that hurt my ears almost, like happened in Mexico.
God, are you Alex SVT?
Dude,
Are you Alex SVT for real?
I don't know, maybe.
What the You're from Fresno? Dude, are those
Hey, we're gonna do some pulls right here. All
are
right.
those good? You have no traction.
Dude, we're gonna do pulls, alright? Leave
You
us
got no
alone.
traction, man.
Alrighty. Gotta redeem myself.